Yo, 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 get shareable link, copy link, stream link. All right, nice sell off here. The boom, which will tip the hand, right? Tip their hand. So this big push down, I was already thinking this, and then just kind of went to a whole new level here. All right, market is gonna be opening in 20 seconds. Uh, too much movement before the market. I'm not gonna jump in this. I don't know what that's gonna be like. Not seeing nothing too clearly here. We're gapping way up, and now all right, let's get our open range gap. 5 minute, boom. Open range gap. Back to regular electronic trading hours. Let's see here. Yes. All right, we're about to tag the new week opening gap. And the new day opening gap, which is inside the new week opening gap. Let's see, we have an actual gap here at this blue line. Getting long vibes already. There's not a lot of follow through. So normally you're selling off that much before the open, then the price opens, and you got all that volatility coming in. You think it would just flush even more, especially since we're gapping up. So definitely going to be ready to find the long entry here, but don't want to get caught on the wrong side of a trend day if we are going to trend down today. Let's just see something here. So we barely did not take London highs. Very interesting. Barely missed the gap there, so we are at new week opening gap though. Have to start thinking long. If we invert this fair value gap, that would be interesting. Nice signal right there at new week opening gap. So we did invert that. This is a 15-second chart. Gotta be a little bit careful. Trying to pick a bottom here. All right. That is a break of structure. Interesting action here. Let's get 50% of this on the chart. Didn't trust this long just yet because we were so close to tagging this gap line, but we didn't. We perfectly filled the new day opening gap just about and then pushed up, which it happens. Nice looking trigger bar right here. As you can see, it's purple, and it was purple right when it closed. So same as this one. This body's a little small. On this one here, still waiting for initial imbalance on the 1 minute. Could possibly be getting it here. Another clean. It's a clean candle right there. Reversal. Have to be a little careful. 30 seconds until the 1 minute candle closes, and we have a possible imbalance forming. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Balance price range there. This is actually a nice short. This is the mid of yesterday. New week opening gap. Definitely like London highs right now. I really do. Just have to be a little patient. I like price to push up to this level. London highs up here. You also have relative equal highs now. Let's just see what we get here. Inside up close. Tempting long. Gonna let the morning consolidate for a minute. They might want to accumulate here, which means a little bit more manipulation lower. Would feel a lot better if they tag this gap, or once they tag this gap. All right, 50% of that leg. Bullish signal. Ooh, tempting to take that long, but see, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then we're kind of at the bottom. You don't want to you don't want to force this. Not at all. Bull flag. Let's go. One more spike down. Broke through the 200. Rejected off the 200. Back to the new week opening gap. Sweeping this consolidation. So what I said, spike down. Very funny. That's a very funny reversal and a strong sign of buying pressure. As soon as it got close, it pushed away. You would think that it would have just failed nicely. Take this liquidity and kind of play by the rules here. But I think there's just a lot of interest at this level. New week opening gap. Chart looks nice and bullish right now. So it's a great buying opportunity. Because if the weekly candle prints bullish, this is possibly your last chance to catch a piece of the wick and an entry at the wick. That's a long entry. That's a long trigger. Let's see how it closes. A little bit of a doji. Body's in the middle of the candle. Just be a little patient. I still think we have a chance of tagging this out. This might have been just one final inducement. Stop hunt. And we'll just see. Man, life is good. God is good. Life is good. There we go. A little bit of a bear flag, some trend line liquidity. Let's see. We got liquidity and a gap and a new week opening gap all stacked right at the 220. Mm. Mm-hmm. Well, there's like no delay on the stream. Or is there? A lot of people getting chopped up right there. People getting long and short and stop and long and short all up in there. Now that looks like a nice candle. Mm-hmm. This is just a nice looking candle for some continuation. Big long wick, solid close at the top. Did actually tag this low. But like I said, I'll be more interested when we get around here. Close the open range gap. Previous gap. Liquidity. New week opening gap. There you go. Bingo. Bingo, Bobby. Inside up close. Interesting, man. See, now I like this for a short. I do like this short right here to take this continuation down. I'm not going short though because I have a long bias. Just have to see. I can see it. Baby bear flag. Tempting. Tempting if you get a clean short signal here. It's tempting to take it. This could totally be the bottom, though. Nothing. There's no rule books. The price does not have to take this level or touch this gap. Certainly does not. Nice buying pressure. Yeah, kind of want to see 22,125. Inside down close. This is short signal. Something like I was saying would be interesting to take. Price is starting to hold up. No inefficiencies yet on the 1 minute since the market opened. Not sure when the president is speaking. Let's see. I'm going to pull up Trump Live. and just kind of refresh it. All right. Not trying to be too distracted by it, but if Trump does start speaking live, I'm just curious, because market's really stuck sideways here for a minute. Just kind of want to see if he's going to be the catalyst that um, causes it to break out, or if the market's going sideways waiting for him. Here we go. So, to the tick at the trend line, given a long signal. Gotta think this is about to fail to here. Tempting to just sell this right now. Just because some people are obviously going to pick this as a low. And those people are going to be wrong, I think. There you go. So I said tempting to sell this. Boom. Big volume coming in. Wick. I just don't have the heart to buy that yet. I like this entry. I like this area for a long. This is what I've been waiting for, but I need some kind of trigger, some kind of sign. Yes, sir. You don't really want to catch a falling knife too much here. Almost, but no cigar there. All right, looks like we have our imbalance finally. Here. This is our initial imbalance. Pretty clean selling. Pretty clean volume going down here. Bottom of new week opening gap, inside up close. Pretty nice volume turning around the other way. To be a little patient. Like I said, you don't want to pick the bottom too much. Definitely could be swinging around here a bit. Boom, there we go. That's a nice level. That's yesterday's low. Tagged and bagged. The short signal right here is that I was waiting for. Pretty freaking clean if you took it. Still got a long bias for now. We'll wait and see. I think this 125 level here is a great place to turn around. This is interesting, one standard deviation of the open range gap, just because we are sort of extended here. Could get a reaction from this level. Hydration. Pin bar. Bullish signal. Super close to the standard deviation of the open range gap. Pivot machine gun. Extended. Not the worst long I ever seen. First signal, though, is not usually the best. Usually like the second or the third one when there's this much momentum. Mm-hmm. But you got a clean signal on, or a more clean. Well, still kind of looks like a doji, but that is a reversal in the 30-second. Bear flag. Attempting to take a short pullback. All right. Just gonna chill out for a moment. Don't want to. I've been having a long bias all morning, but now we're breaking and holding lower. So I don't want to get caught off sides too bad just yet. So I'm gonna wait for a bit and see how far we want to go. I think that this show you here on the chart. This level here at 22,124 sort of tags, fills in what would be an efficiency if we closed higher. Could see a wick like this and then wicking down to here and then kind of pushing up a bit. Also, the middle of Friday could be a target. Let's see what this 1 hour candle just kind of fell off a cliff a bit. That makes sense. Let's see 15-minute chart. Another gap line down there, 22,080. To think how. Tuesday, Monday down, reversal Wednesday, Thursday up. Could be the weekly model. 5-minute chart here. Nice wick there. Some reaction. So this is the first signal I was talking about. Usually no good. Pushing back down. Here we have balanced price range slash inverted fair value gap. 15-second chart though. Ooh, nice looking reversal on the 1 minute. That is a nice candle on the 1 minute. Clean, textbook 1 minute reversal candle right there. I would say textbook if it was an up close, it's a little bit better, but the look and the general look and the shape of the body and the wicks is perfect. So we go a nice reaction too. Let's measure 50% of this leg. See if price wants to return, or is it just going to rip up here? See what the 10-minute chart looks like here. 15-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute to the 5-minute. 1 minute candle was pretty. All right, so that, I think we could be just reversing right up to London highs now. I don't know if I want to get long right as we're pulling back into new week opening gap and the new day opening gap. Bottom of the opening range gap. This is going to be the aggressive low. Yeah, might be nice to trick some shorts here. I'll be patient. I'm not going to chase. Won't do me any good to chase. It's like a little bit of an extended first leg of this pullback. Broadening formation here. We're at the open range gap inside the new week opening gap. We pulled down to one standard deviation of the open range gap. Clean reaction from this level. Long could be good. Looks like a little bit of a institutional order flow entry drill. Rally base rally. Let's look at the volume. Low selling volume. Interesting. Hard to call it. I still think the best play is 50% of this range pullback. You have a breaker here. I don't really mess with breakers too much nowadays. Nope. Institutional order flow entry drill is holding. Okay, no FOMO. You gotta be very mindful of potential FOMO when you miss this kind of an impulse. Let me actually write that. Let's see, missed entry signal, trade setup, price not breaking out, entered trade on price, almost hits my target, didn't get an entry trigger, getting eager for a trade, FOMO, mild aggression, thoughts. Starting to outline subpar entries or subpar entries in order to chase. Motions, FOMO, mild aggravation. Let's see here. Boredom. Boredom watching move without you. I am tracking my thoughts and emotions based off the trigger of not getting a trigger. And pretty nice one on the 1 minute. Pretty decent on the 1 minute. A little bit aggressive here. but totally feasible. So we got a reversal here off the new day opening gap, middle of the new week opening gap. The move is extended. Definitely see a pullback here. Here we go. Don't want to get punished trying to catch this. A lot of people that missed this, that FOMO'd out, will force this pullback, and it's really sharp actually. So you don't want to step in front of too much momentum. Especially, I got to be aware of the fact that I'm eager for a trade. Inside up close, that is a long trigger, and that is quite a deep retracement of this impulse leg. So, well, it's basically to 50%, but it's almost immediately. Very interesting here. Very interesting here. Not super clear. Inclined to think we have a little bit more room to go lower. Sure do. You going on a walk? All right, have fun. So lower was the right guess. What is this? 50% of. This could be interesting, actually. Yeah, this is. I'm glad that I kind of realized what was happening here. I don't want to get stuck with a long bias when we could be potentially having this kind of price action. And yeah, I like that I haven't pulled the trigger yet. A couple of setups that look good in hindsight. This reversal here looks pretty good for a short, and I did say that I like this for a retracement, but I wasn't too prepared to push the to take a short trade. It's making more and more sense now. This 124 level, even this 133.25. Maybe a pull back to this 50%. Could be smart if I get the right trigger. Beautiful candle, right? Purple, right at the top. Hmm. Not a lot of volume here. Boom, big volume. Snapback reaction. Failure. Bear flag. Don't want to get smoked here. Gotta be patient. Pros trade the close. Almost hit the 50%, but not quite. $9.04. Let's check the news here one more time. It's an inside up close. It's actually a long trigger here, this yellow bar. I'm preferring a shorter one from a little higher up. Although a short right here is not that terrible of an idea. It's just not, there's no clean, super clean entry. If I took a short here and it popped up, it wouldn't make any sense for my data that I collect or my trading strategy, so I'm not going to do it. Like I said, a short from around here feels a little bit better. Sure does. Tag this. Ooh, that's a short signal. Hard. Nice trigger, not a nice location, not a perfect setup. Be a little patient. Beautiful candle. Beautiful short trigger. Just didn't love the location, and I didn't love that it didn't even take this. Alrighty. Aggressive wick entry. Entering in this wick is the most aggressive entry I have. No need to be that aggressive. Lots of opportunities in the market here. See, even a short from this 20 period moving average based on the 2-minute chart could be good. 2-minute chart looks like that. What are we inverting here? We did invert a fair value gap here. I'm not so sure I'm convinced this is the bottom yet. I'll probably play this for pitchfork. I don't know. Interesting sort of general shape there, huh? Yeah, let's get some channels on here. That looks about like something. No clean reversal here. Inside down close on the 30-second actually doesn't look too bad. Nice push back up. This could be a little stop hunt slash fake. Get some people to get long right there. Inside down close on the 15. Hard to say. Yeah, still leaning short. I want to sell right here so badly. And I would have regretted it. And I think it's just because I'm getting a little eager, a little bored. Bull flag. This just looks like it can fail. This looks really bearish here. Kind of tricking you out, but you're actually in the middle of this range. And I do like a short signal, but I like a really clean, something that's just saying, bro, would have been a little bit early. This is all good. I don't actually have FOMO from this. I like that I'm on sides mentally today. I know I'm not in the market yet. I haven't picked my shot yet. I'm on side mentally. Nice long trigger. Tag the low here. Boom. Let's see, 50% of this leg. I think ultimately we're continuing lower. It's a little bit of a cliffhanger, right? Let's just see. Yeah, gotta be patient here. A little bit of this in the middle of this range a little bit. And we already had a nice run down, so the market likes to push and then consolidate and then push. So we already pushed. So we may just be in for some consolidation here. Just gotta find and take your shot. That's all you can do. That and drink some water. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. This actually looks like it could be trying to put in a bottom. Inside up close here. It's a long trigger. Go on. Easy, baby. Hey, Buddha Lily. Yeah, this looks like some nice bottoming action. Boom, there you go. And that's volume too. Right at this moving average, I said, could be a nice short and new week opening gap. This huge bullish candle though with all that volume. I'm not going to step in front of that. Neither am I going to chase it, so I'm going to just chill and wait. Cool short idea though, like trying to be super smart, like just fade this like really strong move. So far it is respecting that moving average, and we are right at new week opening gap. No trigger, no trade though, so we'll just see what we get here. Yeah, if anything now, this high to this low, this swing is lined up perfectly with that. All right, so hmm hmm interested in a long from this 50% level, because it's 50% of this swing and this swing. So it's essentially like a higher time frame fair value. This might be where a good amount of the volume is for the day. Probably a lot was traded here. All right, this looks bullish. Got to be patient though. Yeah, that looks bullish right there. Sure does. $9.15, new 15-minute candle starting. Inside up on the 5-minute. Nice wick on the 15. Same on the 10. Alrighty. This wick entry is really aggressive for a long. Inside up close could be interesting. Boom, moving average for the win. It's a reversal bar. New 15-minute candle. Equal lows here now. All right, could see a really big push up here. So a lot of volume came. That is a trigger candle. Tempting to buy this. Just not, it's not an A plus. It's not really A plus. Dodging a lot of L's today. Bad trades, bad trades based off intuition that I'm not taking. Oh, inside up close. Nice consolidation at this level for a long. It's a little tastier as a long now that we've had this action. Yet and still. Not an obvious reason for this to be the low, as far as I can tell. But things are often exact, but not always exact. Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy. That's a short, nice short looking candle right there. I may not even take a trade today if this so I don't want to force it just to inside up close. This feels like a great long. Inside up close did not print. It switched to an outside sort of bullish bar. Nice looking bullish candle there. Bullish trigger. Yo, yo, yo. Testing 1, 2. Check, 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 check. Testing 1, 2. That's probably better. I'm starting to see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Is it long or is it short? I can see it. Can you? Watch. It's about to happen. Watch. Mm, mm, mm. Is it? Is it? Nope, not that one. Boom. You got to just think that here we go. Want to buy. Very hard to say, dude. I mean, let's just hide everything. No drawings. Let's go to a 10-minute chart or something like that. Boom, dipping down. All right, I could see why this would be the bottom. It's kind of the top of this swing. I could see like some retracement here. Holding this for now. I don't know. I'm just getting. I feel like we might be nice to get a little long. Get a little long right here. It's a bullish trigger. Bullish trigger. Little baby bullish trigger. It definitely could pull back up to around this range. You have The daily candle is printing a reversal or no? Wow, no, not yet. Let's see here. Inside down close, right off the moving average. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice short. That's definitely nice right there, dude. Super small risk. Beautiful confluence. Trigger candle. Somehow like I have like still like a long bias, but that's a clean short, given today. I think we're in a range here, so you might be buying here, selling here currently. And that's a nice wick on this candle. So bullish trigger on the 30 printed, bullish trigger on the 1 minute is in production. This is going to be our third test of this moving average, so there's a good chance it's going to break. You got this inefficiency we might invert. Still working off this 1 minute scenario. Volume is drying up here. Inside up close on the 15-second. Wanted to buy this just now. I'm just not. Yeah, there's something. Need a clean long trigger from around here. I don't like triggers in the middle of ranges. Don't diddle in the middle. All right, so 1, 2, 3 successful. Just fail all the way, my dude. Nice short trigger. Nice short trigger. Nice short trigger. I mean, when you gonna learn? You gotta take short triggers. You can't learn. You ain't gonna know how to learn, boy. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, you gotta keep going there. That's why I have this moving average on my chart. I'm not taking this first signal long. You must be tripping. Very interesting. Chart looks super overextended on the daily, in the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So this pullback, all this lower pullback action is very healthy and could have been predicted. Bullish chart gapping up. That's what I put in my analysis. Looking for pullback to continuation or obvious reversals. Boom, London high. Didn't get the obvious reversal up there. It just kind of fell off at 925. Did totally tip its hand though. All right, what is that? That's the middle of Friday or yesterday. No trigger, no trade. Not going to force this. I like this 124 level. I sure do. It's definitely extended to the downside here. Surely is. Nah, bro. Middle of the day, you make it that obvious? Nah, you gotta. No way. Uh-uh. One, two, fail. 1, 2, fail. 1, 2, 3, fail. 1, 2, 3, fail. 1, 2, 3, fail. Oh, bullish, bullish. Uh-oh, that's a bullish candle. Uh-oh, it's a bullish candle. Buy it. You better buy it. You're going to miss it. Oh, ooh, that's a nice trigger. That is a nice bullish trigger, actually. But I don't like the location of it. I like this candle off this line right here to go there. So we have a new, let's see something here. Hourly. 30-minute. New 30-minute candle. Boom. Boom. You don't really want 22,040. You don't necessarily want to be a buyer. These candles are just ugly. Ugly bearish candles. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, almost. My finger was on the button. Right there. This pin bar candle here to buy. It'd be a little. It didn't quite touch the line, bro. Big volume, all wick. Dude, it does pay to be early sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Probably more often than not, it costs you money, though. This was a great buy. Should have bought it right there. Trailed my stop. Took a little chunk. And signal on the 1 minute. Signal on 30-second. Signal on 15-second. You didn't touch the line. That's your job, is to touch lines. 22,125. I wanted 22,124. 1 point away from my take short signals. Remember that? Remember that rule? You're going to learn. Nice short signal right there. I'm not taking that. I'm going to use the bathroom. Let's see here. I will be back. Yo, yo, yo. So, got to take short signals. Oh, you would have lost. There's no easy way to play this game. No easy money. Just have to be patient and really pick your shots and live with your decisions. Let's see here. Really curious situation we have here with basically balancing it out, but not quite by 1 point, not balancing it out. Now along from here or here. See, I'm trying to pick the exact moment the price is going to go in one direction and not the other. It's really sort of a hard thing to do usually in life. I mean, most people in life can't predict the future, you know what I'm saying? Bink, bink. Inside up close, about to say, that's kind of a... Why did that happen? $22,155. 22,151. 22,155. Why did that happen? Inside down close bar. Yeah, this feels too bullish. It's trending up now. I don't know what happened on that order. That is a little annoying. Let me go to the 1 second here. I mean, I was wrong. I'm cool with that. But why did my order get canceled? Okay. Gotta stay locked in here, bro. 1, 2, 3. Can it hold again? Okay. I'm going to track this down because that is aggravating. So everything that aggravates me gets put down. Let's see. Order cancel for unknown reason. Okay, let's watch this chart. Just trying to be tricky. Inside down close right at the moving average. Pretty nice sell signal right there. A, B, C retracement. Want a nice long signal right here, guys. I want it to be nice right there. Okay. Wick entry, nah. Inside up. I would be forcing it, but that is a long signal. It's interesting right there. Yeah, not as interesting as this, whatever this is. Whatever this is what I like. Feels a little silly trying to force a long here. But I just feel like it's coming. The reaction higher is coming. Reaction higher is coming. This moving average is flattening out. Huh? I tried to buy there at the top of this bar. This would be the order block. Kind of like a cliffhanger because I like these highs to be run. I like this liquidity to be run. I think we're due for a pullback. Maybe I was a little too unsure. Not enough confidence, not enough whatever, and I didn't really look at the button and really click it. I just kind of was like, oh, click. So that was an execution error. Interesting trade idea that I had though. It's not. It's more like it's a cliffhanger, momentum trade. I don't take a lot of these, but yeah, I just saw this. This moving average is only going to hold so long. Now it's going flat. I think we want to pull up to this higher moving average. Short signal right there. All right. I'm irritated over getting kicked out of my trade that I would have lost anyway. I'm just irritated I got kicked out for a reason I don't know. Irritated that I didn't catch a good trade yet. I'm irritated because I'm trading because trading is irritating. I am still capable of making great decisions. I'm not done yet. We got some room to go here, bro. Just checking in on some of the higher time frames. Some different frames. Very nice. Very nice. You continue to fail. You continue to fail at life. Inside up close. Cliffhanger short. No way, dude. You better chill out. You're not taking that long yet. Gotta take it from here, bubs. Whee! Longs are getting smoked today. Why'd I take? That's not a bad signal to take short. I don't mind that I took that short. Look at this. Oh, touch him. Touch him right here. Just touch him a little bit in the pants. All right, let's see. Increasing volume, going down, stop going down, volume slightly decreasing. Nice cliffhanger short here. 22,042. I mean, that's a long way down there, boys and girls, to this level. I mean, might as well. The daily 2-period RSI was over 90. Tempting to buy this. Trigger long. This low could hold just for the F of it. I like this line to get tagged, and then I like a reaction from there. I sure do. And I ain't going to miss it. Bullish trigger. 30-minute. Bullish trigger. 15-second, 30-minute. 5-minute chart looks kind of sad and boring. Could go sideways until the 20 period catches up, or we could rip up and tag the 20 period, then push lower. Interesting price action. Hard to read. 50% of this swing is there. Why? Let me see if I can sell one. Oh, that was pretty nice. Yeah, short was the way to go. 50% retrace on this is kind of a clean type of short entry. Do, 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 do. Wow, really cool. Wow, really cool big bullish candle. Wow. So it's something to do with my stupid Top Step broker account. Canceled my last trade. I don't know if they don't like me trading 3 contracts, but why they let me put the order in the first place? Inside down close. Can't even sell one. All right. I'm down like $300 on a day. What's the problem here? Let me log in to Top Step and see what the deal is with this. Oh, I see. Hmm. Okay. I think I hit the nice push up here, bro. We'll have to see what they want to do with my account. I tried to sell 3 contracts when I was under 1500, but I started the day over 1500. Then my account balance went under 1500. I think that's why they liquidated my account the first time or liquidated my position. Just have to see if they're freaking cool, you know? Like, if they're cool with me, then that'll be cool. I'm gonna message them. Anyway, I'm done streaming for the day. Uh, Not the best day, not that bad of a day. Did pretty good. Read the market pretty good. Didn't take any dumb trades really. So